On a fragile leaf, an ant carries the weight of its world. It has no idea how enormous the world is. No idea the distance. No idea the direction of its path. All it knows is that stopping is not an option. It moves without applause, without certainty, without a map. Yet every step matters. And maybe that's life. Not knowing the full picture, but choosing to move anyway. Because progress isn't about seeing the end. It's about refusing to stand still. So, if you feel small in a world too vast to understand, remember, some journeys are not meant to be understood. They are meant to be walked. You don't need to know where the path ends. You only need the courage to keep walking. Clarity comes to the ones already in motion. Comment I choose to keep moving. Like and share if this message blessed you. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more.